Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with Btools open and weld selected. Do this now. First, click the primary piece, then immediately click the secondary piece to create the weld. You do this because the weld records relative position and orientation. Once done, you can move the assembly as one. Make sure parts are unlocked and not anchored so the weld can apply. If alignment is off, undo and repeat the two-click sequence until the initial placement matches your intent. Once the initial weld exists, refine the connection by moving or rotating one piece while watching the relative transform. You should recreate the weld after final positioning because welding captures current offsets. Otherwise, you'll inherit old transforms. Make small adjustments with grid snapping, set to 1/16 or 1/8 for precision, and rotate in small increments. This step matters because welds are precise constraints. Misalignment here causes downstream motion or visible seams, so take your time and verify from multiple camera angles. To finish, anchor the assembled group if it must stay static, or leave it unanchored for physics interactions. You must test in play mode to confirm the weld behaves under simulation. Watch for jitter, separation, or unexpected rotation. If you see problems, unweld the pieces, realign them precisely, and reapply the two-click weld sequence. This is the one reliable fix. One key troubleshooting tip: always recreate the weld after any manual transform to ensure the constraint matches the final geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.